Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to you. I hope you're doing well. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to let you know about the Forex daily market. Okay, and May 10th is the date of today. All right, but what is going to happen today at the beginning of, London market and after that New York? What we see for DXY is something I told you before, that the price is moving between these two areas, and it shows that we have something like a trading range. But when you take a look at this in a more precise way, you see that these days dollar was stronger and we had a trend line like this. Okay, if we have a breakout of this trend line, so we can say for some hours or maybe some days we could see the dollar is getting weaker and the other currencies are getting stronger. Okay, but if we have the breakout from top, okay, it means this zone I have drawn for you before. So we can see again, United States dollar is getting stronger and stronger. All right, but we wait to see that what is going to happen to this zone, which is very close, and I guess it might happen just the first hours of London market. All right, let's go to EURUSD. So for EURUSD, something I told you was trading range, and you can see for some days we are still in a trading range, and I told you and I updated my line for you, and I told you that the price is moving between these two lines. Maybe we're going to have another reaction to this line, and the price is going to move slowly up to the moment we see or hear any news from euro that they are increasing the rates. But for pound, again the same, especially yesterday, we had a range market, and I should update my lines for you. And for this, we can say we had a breakout, but since we are still in a trading range, we can just update and delete these two items, and we see that we are in a trading range between these two zones, and the price is moving like this. What I guess would be the breakout from the bottom, but we should wait to see, because this phase is very, very bearish, and if it wants to be something like bullish trend, so there is a trend line, strong trend line, we should have breakout of this, then we might see something like bullish trend. It depends on DXY. Okay, if we have breakout of this zone, pull back to this zone, we can see the pound again bullish. All right, you can draw the same line to understand how you should act. For JPY, Japanese yen, we have these two lines, and they have made a wedge. Okay, as you can see, the price is moving between these two lines, and the whole process is in the channel. So I told you that you can draw the same channel I have drawn, and these two lines are very strong. And well, we should wait to see if there is any reaction to the bottom, and after that maybe the midline and this part, because we can see a stronger US dollar in long term. But we should wait, understand to do what. But we have very strong resistance at 131 whenever we have when the price reaches here. So there is something bearish and again bearish, so it means that we had a something like strong resistance here. About Canadian dollar, as I told you yesterday, it happened. It became weaker in comparison with US dollar, and US dollar is getting stronger these days due to the interest rates. And unfortunately, we had breakout of this zone. I told you, very important one. And we had a pullback to this zone. And the other support we have is 0.76. This zone is important for us. We might have some reactions to this zone. Okay, and for Australian dollar, or they say Aussie dollar, Australian dollar in comparison with US dollar didn't have a good day yesterday. So we can see that Australian dollar got weaker and United States dollar stronger. And you can probably I don't know, remember I told you that we have the price between these two lines, and probably we have breakout from the top, and we had the same, and the price is trying to get close to this zone, 1.46 to 1.48. Okay, this zone is very important zone, since you can see that in weekly time frame that we had some reaction. Okay, so if you take a look at this, you can see we might have reaction to this zone because we had a breakout of this zone, and now we can see this one on the way. That's it. You can update your chart and enjoy a good day with your trading. Have a great time.